Hello everyone, welcome back to Akanksha E-Learning Solutions, and this is Geeta Harish from Akanksha E-Learning Solutions, and today I'm going to teach you an important topic which is about greetings. How to greet in Hindi easily, and how to introduce yourself in Hindi, and how to make questions in Hindi. Okay, let's join with me then. Okay, the first one, how to greet in Hindi. When you meet somebody or someone, usually you should say namaste or namaskar. How to say namaste or namaskar? And that means hello or hi. And introducing your name, you can introduce like this, मैं गीता हूँ. I am Geeta. In the place of Geeta, you can put your name. For example, मैं रमेश हूँ, मैं सुरेश हूँ, मैं शांता हूँ, all these things. The second sentence, when you say I'm fine, you have to say like this, मैं ठीक हूँ, I'm fine. And मैं अच्छी हूँ also you can use if you are a female and say, you want to say that I'm good. So it is मैं अच्छी हूँ. The next one, मैं बीमार नहीं हूँ, I'm not sick. मैं ठीक हूँ means I'm fine. मैं बीमार नहीं हूँ means I'm not sick. मैं अध्यापक हूँ. It's about your profession. In the place of अध्यापक, you can put your profession. For example, मैं software engineer हूँ, मैं doctor हूँ, मैं वकील हूँ, all these things. The next sentence is मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ, I am an Indian. Okay, in the place of Hindustani, you can put any nationality of yours. For example, मैं American हूँ, मैं जापानी हूँ, मैं Korean हूँ, all this. Then the next one is मैं Bangalore में हूँ, I am in Bangalore. मैं Bangalore में हूँ, I am in Bangalore, and you can mention where you are. Like मैं दिल्ली में हूँ, मैं हरियाणा में हूँ, मैं बिहार में हूँ, wherever you are. Or in the place of town, you can either put the places like मैं office में हूँ, मैं घर में हूँ, all these things. When I was reading this 1 to last sentence, you might have seen that I am starting with my sentence with मैं and I'm ending my sentence with whom. That is the first rule. When you are starting मैं, you should end with whom. It's not like that Hindi is only hai. No. Okay. So many of them, they have a misconception like Hindi means hai. No, it's wrong actually. Hindi has a different sentence structure. Please do understand that. For example, when you are starting your sentence with मैं, you should end with whom. This is the first rule. And the second, when you want to say my name is, you can say like this, मेरा नाम गीता है. मेरा नाम गीता है. I am Geeta. In the place of Geeta, you can put your other name. I mean, मेरा नाम रमेश है, सुरेश है, उषा है, बाकी. Okay? Now, मैं अध्यापिका हूँ. If teacher is a female, then it is मैं अध्यापिका हूँ. If teacher is a male, then मैं अध्यापक हूँ. In the place of अध्यापक, you can either put your profession. For example, मैं किसान हूँ, means I'm a farmer. मैं businessman हूँ, I'm a businessman, etc. Okay. रमेश डॉक्टर है. रमेश is a doctor. रमेश डॉक्टर है. Ramesh is a doctor. You can name a person and their profession directly. This sentence will be used. रमेश अस्पताल में काम करता है. रमेश अस्पताल में काम करता है. That means Ramesh works in a hospital. Now the next comes the questionary, which is very important. Kya? Kya means what? See, we have earlier seen that मैं गीता हूँ, मैं रमेश हूँ, all these sentences, right? We have two ways of asking the questions with kya. Either you can keep a phrase, for example, मैं गीता हूँ, and behind that, if you add kya मैं गीता हूँ, that means Am I Geeta? Like that. Okay, let us see how it works. If I only take aap Geeta hai, means you are Geeta, right? Now, if I have a doubt, are you Geeta? Then how I ask that? Then I ask, kya aap Geeta hai? Are you Geeta? The next question is, क्या आप अध्यापिका है? Means, are you a teacher? Okay, are you a teacher? Right? So, the next is, क्या रमेश डॉक्टर है? Is Ramesh a doctor? Is Ramesh a doctor? That means, is he a doctor? Right? Now, क्या सुरेश अस्पताल में है? Is Suresh in the hospital? Right? This is the one way. Okay? And we have many sentences on what. What means kya hai? We say in Hindi, right? What you want? Kya chahiye? Like that. Those things we will discuss in our coming sessions. Okay. Now, I have only used a sentence formation of the question where you are not changing a phrase, but you will be adding kya behind that, and it's becoming a question. These are called yes or no questions. If somebody asks me, are you Geeta? I say yes. Or either I say no. Then how I answer that? I answer that, क्या आप गीता है? जी हाँ मैं गीता हूं. जी हाँ, yes I am. Right? जी हाँ मैं गीता हूं. Yes, I'm गीता. क्या आप अध्यापिका है? जी हाँ मैं अध्यापिका हूं. Right? The next is Ramesh a doctor? जी नहीं, रमेश डॉक्टर नहीं है. If you are saying yes, you should use जी हाँ. And if you are saying no, you should say जी नहीं. Okay. The next questionary is कौन. कौन is always talk about a person. Okay. For example, आप कौन हैं? If somebody asks you, आप कौन हैं? Who are you? Then you should say your name, your introduction, your qualification, or your, surname, profession, right? For example, आप कौन हैं? मैं गीता हूं. आप कौन हैं? मैं अध्यापिका हूं. आप कौन हैं? मैं एक अच्छी इंसान हूं. I can say anything. Who am I? Right? The next is ये कौन है? ये कौन है? The person who is along with you, giving the company to you. Anybody can ask about him or her, like using this phrase. ये कौन है? Who is he or she? A person who is near to you, this is always ये. The next is वो कौन है? वो कौन है? Who's that, or who is he or she? Right? Then you can mention that ये doctor है, वो nurse है. Right? All these things. And we have another form, तुम. Okay? I will explain you in my coming videos, like what is the difference between tu, tum, aap and all. But right now you can see here, when you are starting your sentence with tum, you should always end with ho. For example, tum kaun ho? Who are you? मैं गीता हूँ. I'm Geeta. Right? Now, the next questionary is कैसे. कैसे means how. Reason. You have to give a reason, right? For example, आप कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ. How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. So आप कैसे हैं means how are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. Why? Because I don't have any disease or I'm not sad, so I'm fine, right? वो कैसे है means वो कैसे है, that means how is he or she. Okay. Now, तुम कैसी हो? How are you? We use कैसी word for female. Remember the female nouns we use this. कैसी. Okay. तुम कैसी हो? Or else if it is a male, we always have to use आप कैसे हैं और तुम कैसे हो. Okay. तुम कैसी हो? मैं ठीक हूँ. Right? So I have made a small conversation here for your understanding. When two strangers meet, how they converse each other. Like I have taken the character Ram and Sham. Ram says Namaste. Then Sham says Namaste. Aap kaun? Okay. He doesn't know who is he. I mean, who is Ram here? Then he says that Namaste. Hi. Hello. Who are you? राम मैं राम हूं और आप या माई सेल्फ राम और आई एम राम एंड यू श्याम सेज दैट मैं श्याम हूं आपका पूरा नाम क्या है पूरा नाम मीन्स फुल नेम देन राम सेज मेरा पूरा नाम राम शर्मा है वैसे आप कहाँ से है ओके या माय फुल नेम इज राम शर्मा बाय द बाय वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम देन श्याम सेज मैं बैंगलोर से हूं और आप I'm from Bangalore and you? Then Ram says that मैं बिहार से हूँ. I'm from Bihar. Then they both are busy. So they say ठीक है आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई means oh nice to meet you. मुझे भी nice meeting to you. So मुझे भी when you see say this you're saying that even I felt the same one. Yeah. Then Sham says फिर मिलेंगे धन्यवाद. Then Ram says धन्यवाद. So this is how the conversation is. Like when you meet with a stranger, we have to create a situation or we have to observe a situation, how to converse in Hindi. That gives you the best practice. I hope you would enjoy today's session. And if you have any doubts, please come reply in the comment box and keep practicing. Till then, see you in the next class. Bye-bye.